Hello, good morning. This is Edwin Pineda, and welcome again in this free video training. And on this video training, I will answer a question from our Facebook fan page. Okay, Mr. August Ventura, and he's asking kung paano malalaman pag sira or shorted ang diode at capacitor sa transistor. Salamat po, God bless. Isa po akong baguhan sa Celtec. Okay, so he's from Nueva Ecija. uh, Paano mo malalaman kung shorted? So let's start with the diode first, okay? Para ma-test mo kung good or bad ang isang electronic component, at least you must have the basic knowledge kung paano siya ginawa, okay? From the factory, okay? And paano siya gumagana sa isang electronic circuit. So let's start with the diode, no? So ang diode, okay, kung titingnan mo sa schematic diagram, okay, ganito itsura niya. So, para siyang may ganyan, okay? Okay, ganyan, okay? So, ito ay diode, okay? So, itong triangle na to, ito ay naka-assign sa plus, at itong parang paganyan ay naka-assign sa minus. Okay. So, pag tinetest to, ang ginagawa natin, uh, we use the multi-tester, and we use the times 10. Usually, ang ginagamit ko ay times 10. Okay? So, if you are using the digital tester, all you have to do is take the positive probe, okay? And connect mo sa isang side, and take the negative probe ng digital and connect mo sa other side. Now, ang magiging reading nito, okay, is magkakaroon ng forward bias. When we say forward bias sa electronic circuit, merong flow of current, at kung merong flow of current, okay, usually ang makikita mong value ay 0. Okay, 0. Okay, yan ay 0 ohms. Okay, that is forward bias. Ngayon naman, pag biniliktad mo tong tester, okay, ginawa mo naman itong positive, connect mo sa negative side, at ang negative ay nilagay mo sa positive side, magkakaroon tayo ng reverse bias. Pag sinabing reverse bias, walang dumadaloy na kuryente sa circuit, sa electronic component. Kaya ang magiging value mo dyan ay tinatawag natin sa electronic term na infinity. Okay? So parang masasabi mo dito, open circuit, ito ay open. Sa 0 ohms, masasabi mong ito ay closed circuit. Okay, yun ang good na diode. Now, paano malalaman kung shorted ang diode? Ang gagawin mo lang, first, gawin mo yung unang tinuro ko sa'yo, yung plus, using the digital multitester. Yung plus, lagay mo sa parang tatsulok na to, and yung minus, lagay mo dito sa minus side ng diode, magkakaroon ng 0 ohms. Ngayon, pag biniligtad mo ngayon using the digital one, dapat ang value niya is infinity. When you get a value of 0 ohms, it means na nagkaroon pa rin ng flow of current, which is bad for the diode. Kasi ang trabaho ng diode is to allow the flow of electrons from one direction only. So, kung nangyari yun, para yung may flow of current in both direction, dun mo masasabi na shorted yung electronic component mo na diode. Okay? So, ito muna yung in-answer ko for your question, sir, Mr. August Ventura. And sa next video naman, I will share to you how to test a capacitor and the transistor. Okay? So, that's all for now in this video training. Have a great day, everyone. My name is Edwin Pineda, and thank you for joining the pre-cell phone repair tutorial Manila, and have a great day, everyone. Okay? So, goodbye, everyone.